my beauties, welcome back to my channel. And in my today's video, as you can read from the title, I'm going to unbox FAB bag, March FAB bag. And I know I'm a little bit late because today is 24th, and but still I ordered it. I guess I ordered it in first week of March, and it was a little late coming to me. But then I thought that I will definitely show you guys what exactly it has. And right now I don't remember how much did I pay. I went for 3 months subscription, and let me just check how much it costed. So guys, I don't remember how much did it cost me, but approx it costs you somewhere around 500 rupees per month, and they give you really good skincare and cosmetics. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So when you buy this, okay, everything is written over here. So I went for COD, which cost somewhere around 100 rupees extra, but I generally go for COD, and it cost me 1700 for 3 months. And this is your box, FAB box. So what you do is you go ahead, open it, and so this is the pouch. This is blingy purple color pouch, which I love, and I don't have such pouch, so I think this is a definite use. And I guess if you have seen my what's in my bag video, you've already seen how many pouches do I carry with me. So it's in this pouch, and yeah, I threw it because that's the way I am. I'm very careless. It has these two papers, which I'm not going to read because it's really boring to read all these stuffs. I will directly jump into the products. Let's see what all they have. Okay, cool. Now they have this eyeliner. This is I've already seen what all is there. So because once you get such kind of box, everything is very you yourself don't know what all is there, so you are really excited to open it, and same was with me. So okay, now this has this black color liner, and this is for 150 rupees if you go ahead and buy it all alone. And I'm going to scratch it. Okay, this looks amazing, guys. I will surely do a tutorial with this one, baby green smoky eye, and I love this, and I am definitely going to use this. So wow, I love this one. You can use it on the upper lid of your eyelashes just for a change. Rather than going for black, you can try these green color, or you can even do smoky eye makeup with these kind of liners. And I love this one. So I see 2 compartment. I don't know why have they given 2 compartment. Yeah, you guys can see it. So they've given 2 compartments, which I don't know why, but chalo, who cares. Okay, so the next thing is activated charcoal, which this is for 200 bucks. Healthy Wit Bath and Body Activated Charcoal Face Wash to prevent skin cleanses pores. I haven't used it, and I will definitely go ahead and give it a try. Let me open this. Okay, this is with a seal. I'll open it for you guys. This is a face wash, and I think which is oh my, can you see it came out? Yeah. So this is black in color, and I'm not going to spoon my hands. So let's move to the next product. So did you guys see my hairpins? I have done a Forever 21 haul, and I showed you these pins, and they look super cute. If you are someone who really love wearing these cute kind of hairbands or things, you should definitely give it a try. Oh, I'm done with cleaning process, and I'm going to put it down in this box. So I'm not going to read it as usual because I don't like doing those. Again, this now this is a perfume, sample size perfume, and blue is name, and guys, and this smells amazing. I'm definitely going to try this out. I'm not sure how long will it stay, how long is it going to stay, but this smells amazing. And this is not a very feminine smell, but I like it. So just in case if you live in Bangalore and you have been to Gopal Mall and you go, there are two sides, right? One is the lifestyle and other one is the shopper stop. So you move inside that shopper stop one and the same smell, you know, this entirely reminds me of that place. So I don't know, maybe they also have the same perfume or they use it, but this smells amazing, and this smells definitely remind me of a Gopal Mall that is in Old Madras Road and shopper stops. I'm not talking about lifestyle, I'm talking about shopper stops. This is a very small bottle, although I guess it will go a long way. And let me check if they have. Okay, now I need to read. This is 2 ml. Okay, this is 2 ml, and if you go ahead and buy this from the site, you will get 20% off till 30th of April. And the name is Cara. I'm not going to spell name because I'm really bad at that, spelling new names. I will just say blue, and that's okay because you guys understand what I meant. Okay, next is this. This is Aromatic Magic Cocoa Butter Vanilla Body Cream. Oh my god, I love body creams, and vanilla is one of my favorite. Yes, this does smell like cocoa butter and vanilla cream. Wow, looks really, this is very rich. You guys, what you can do, you can you know, this is a very small size, so you can keep it in your bag and you can use it as your hand cream. This one, because yeah, body cream, like the size is really small for body cream, but you can definitely use it as a hand cream and it will moisturize well. So you can keep it in your bag just in case if you don't have a hand cream. This will do the purpose. And here comes. Okay. And the last product from this box is, I know this looks a little weird, is this liquid matte. Okay, this is from Sugar, and this is liquid matte lip color, and the color that I choose now is muslin mauve. So if you guys don't know, you should know I love wearing these pinky mauve nudes, and when it comes to lips, pinky mauve nude for lipsticks, I love wearing these kind of colors, and this is the bottle. And so what happens is when you go ahead and you book a FAB bag for a month or 3 months, so they will send you, there are a few things that are optional. So most of the things that I choose, you may get the same thing, and this was in the optional part, so I went ahead with this specific color what you're seeing right now, because I like this one, but they had other options. Most of them were nude lipsticks, so I like this one, so I went ahead and booked it. Can you see? Okay. Yeah, now I guess you can see. So this is somewhat like, I have this Lakme 9 to 5 liquid lipstick, which has this rosy kind of color, which I showed you in what's in my bag video. This is somewhat like a normal nudie mauve pinkish shade, and I don't know about the texture. It looks good. It doesn't look very dry, and you can definitely go ahead and purchase this. I was introduced to Sugar products through FAB because I went for FAB subscription, and they gave me this lipstick named Rose Juicin, which I really loved. And Sugar has their own kajal, which I got through the same subscription box, which is also very amazing, and it is hell black and it stays really long. So you guys should, if you like black kajals, you should definitely go ahead and try it. And this is a purple color pouch, which I love. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this. Let me know if you want me to go ahead and do unboxing for other subscription boxes, because I would love to do that. And just in case if you want to make me any other video, you can definitely let me know. Okay, and that's all for today. Hope you like this. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, because I have some really amazing stuff coming for you guys. That's all. Ta-da!